Hello and welcome to the pre-final build-up from Andheri Football Arena, just outside the venue here of the finals between FC Goa and Bangalore FC in the ISL 5. The Gods are here to win the title, and the fans of the Sergio Lobera's boys are here in numbers as well to cheer on the Gaur army to title victory. Well, the Gods are facing Bangalore FC, and we all know that Bangalore FC have done a double over FC Goa in the league phase, so they are going to be a very, very strong contender for the title as well, because they'll go in the finals with a little psychological edge, having defeated FC Goa comprehensively in the league this season. However, in the press conference last evening, Bangalore FC coach Carlos Quadrat claimed that victory in the league phase is not to be counted, because final is altogether a different ball game, and the form book goes out of the window during the finals. So now we are just getting ready for the kickoff, and you can see here the build-up. The fans of FC Goa have travelled all the way from Goa, and they are building up in numbers over here. With a few hours still to go for the gates to open, the FC Goa fans are here, and they are going to gather in big numbers for sure, as information that we have got claims that several number of buses have left from Goa last night. People have travelled in the aeroplanes as well, and with their private vehicles as well. So we are expecting around at least 2,000 fans here together. And it's a fact that Bangalore FC are also a well-supported club, so their fans as well will come to Mumbai to cheer on their team, because FC Goa and Bangalore FC have been the best teams in the ISL over the last 2 years, and it doesn't get bigger than their matchup in the final of the ISL. We are expecting a cracker of a contest when it begins inside the Mumbai Football Arena, right inside this Andheri Sports Complex. So it's going to be one aggressively and pleasing on the eye brand of football. So stay tuned to all the build-up from outside the Andheri Sports Complex and Mumbai Football Arena. FC Goa coach Sergio Lobera always appreciates the fans of FC Goa, because they have provided great support not only at home at Fadoda, but during their also away travels as well. And it was a great electrifying atmosphere when the Gaurs won their opening, or rather the first leg of the playoff against Mumbai City FC, and almost ensured a finals day on the first during the first playoff leg itself. We have here with us fans of FC Goa, and let us know their views ahead of the big final.
माझे नाव सूरज आणि आम्ही फ्रेंड्स सगळे आम्ही कलांगूटच्यान येयला, आणि काल आम्ही गाडी सोडलेली आणि आयज आम्ही पावले सकाळी. आमच्याकडे हांगासर येवन आमच्या टिकेटी नासल्यो, पूण हांव नको हांगा पावन आमच्या टिकेटी खचून जालो, कित्याक आमी चड मोग करता आमच्या गोंयाचे टिमीक, ताका लागून आमकां टिकेटी हांगासर येवन देवान दिल्यो.
We love Goa!
We love Goa! Forza Goa!
तुझो शर्ट बरो दिसता, खंय शिवलो?
शर्टाचे खूब जाले भानगडी. शर्टाक लागून काल टेलराक सांजच्या 5 उठयला, न्हिदलोलो टेलर 5 उठयला, सोंग रेडी केला आणि 7 आमी भायर सरला काल, आणि सकाळी सोंग हांगा पावले.
आणि एक सांगपाक सोदता, ह्या फावटी FC Goa is the winner of this cup and we are taking the cup home. आणि येऊ न्हू ही आमची ट्रॉफी जावन आहा आणि हे कोणाचीच ना हे बेंगलोर हे काय ना सोंपली बेंगलोर पयलींच सांगता कबार 5-0
आणि आमचो इतलो लोक गोंयचो खंयसर वचना खंयच्याच टिमीचो लोक इतलो भायर वचना जितलो गोंयकार वयता पळय कोणूच वचना तेका लागून आमचो मोग आनी कितें म्हणटा ते सगलो गोंयचो
Prudent media. This match should not be happen on this stadium because it's very small. We are not getting tickets. So many Goans are lying here without any tickets. At least something has to be done because we have watched all the matches. We have watched all the matches, but this heartfelt sympathy to the stadium, looking at the stadium, is very sad.
Yes, it's a really good point there because it's common sense that the final of any big tournament should happen at a place which gives maximum opportunity to maximum fans to come and witness the spectacle. And it's really strange decision by the ISL to have the finals at the smallest stadium in the competition.
Yes.
Maybe the franchises should be noted down. This place is
When you set up a place, at least Bangalore or Goa, where the capacity is more, people want to enjoy. And we should not go without watching this match. We have watched all the matches. And it's very bad because all our Goan fans are waiting there for the tickets.
Wishing our own football team FC Goa all the very best. You are the champions. Best wishes from Xavier's Beach Cafe, Food Palace, proprietor Francis Fernandez and Lydia Fernandez, below Xavier Cottage, Sauntavado, Kalangut, Goa.
Hi guys, what an amazing season we've had so far. From Coro scoring goals for fun to Brandon's performance to the team keeping 8 clean sheets. I think Sergio has done a magnificent job with the whole team. And it's just the way the squad has played their football that's been the most striking thing. Even watching on TV, it's very evident the kind of spirit and the kind of camaraderie and togetherness the team has. I think that's the essence of any champion team across any sport, and it's very evident when FC Goa plays. You can see that between the players. And there's no surprise that we finished second on the league table. In spite of having the same number of points, we've still finished second, which is a great thing anyway. I'm really sorry, and I'm really disappointed that I haven't been able to come to any of the games this season so far, and it's because of the hectic cricket schedule, as you all know. So I just wanted to tell all the fans to get behind the team. Now is the business end of the league, the playoffs. I'm sure the guys are excited for it. They worked so hard for it, and I just want all the fans to get behind the team, to support the players in every way that they can, fill up the stadiums and just show that spirit to take the guys across the line. And not worried about the results at all. It's just the spirit and the kind of football that the guys have played. I hope that they can continue the same way in the playoffs as well. But it's been an amazing season nonetheless, and I'm sure all you guys are going to come out in huge numbers to support our team and take them across the line. So all the very best to all of you and the whole squad as well. Enjoy this moment together, and I'll see you all very soon. Forza Goa.
From the start of the season, our team have been doing really well. Not only from start of the season, I think so from the pre-season, we have been doing really well. We have worked hard, and we started the season so well that we were top of the table in some point of time. And I think we have worked really hard to be in the top 4. That is in the semi-finals. We have performed well in the semi-final also. And now we are all waiting for this day on 17th to play. And the two with the tougher side, Bangalore FC. And and I think we will keep up it. For the last 4 seasons, I think I've been playing as a winger, and this year, coach told me that I have to play as a left back when the pre-season started, and I took the challenge, and I told coach, yes, I will perform in the left back position. In the start, it was a little bit difficult for me because I always used to play up front. But as games went by and time went by, I think I've learned a lot, and my teammates like Peña and Fall and all the people who are playing as stopper backs and full back, I think so they have helped me, and I'm always learning each and every game. Whatever mistakes I have done, I learn it from the games. I watch it when the games are over, and I learn it from the games which I have played, and I think each and every game I try to improve myself. I think so. Arnold from Mumbai City, he's really a good player, I think, and he's tough also, and he has good speed also. But I tried my best to stop him, and I think I've done it. I think so. We just have to concentrate. It's like we have been concentrating all the games, but I think this game is really important because we were waiting for this day to be in the finals and play the finals. So I just need focus and concentration from all the players, and I think we have to win this. From the very start of the season, friends have been traveling for the away games, and I think that's really good because they are 12th men, as everyone knows, and I think it's very important to have their support. And I think they will come in large numbers in Mumbai, and I and my team need this support from them. I wish them that they will travel from Goa to Mumbai and support us.
Brilliant first half. We scored 2 goals, 2 very important away goals which we're going to take home. It's going to be crucial second half on the ground. This is the action and the fever in Bombay Stadium. People are, getting excited. We're getting the car. See you all.
मुझे नाव इलेरा डायस आम्ही गोंयांत राहिला पणजेचा राहिला आमी खूब सपोर्ट राहिला आमी काल ट्रेन आतां येयला आमी बेगीन येयला ग्राउंड फूल जालो आहा आमचो फूल सपोर्ट FC गोवा 2 गोलां जिखले FC गोवा कोरो बातलो आनी दुसरो आमचो हाफ बात येदो बादिया विवा गोवा फोर्सा
FC गोवाचे फॅन्स हांगा आमच्या बरोबर आसा हाणें मास्क पेंट केला FC गोवाचे कलर्सान आनी ताजे कॉस्ट्यूम पळया दिस इज अमेझींग यू आर लुकिंग लायक वन बिग what you can say Red Indian FC Goan.
This is Red Indian plus FC Goa Wuzo.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kalangut from Goa.
So who's your favorite player?
Brandon and my captain is Mandar and Koro.
गेमी बद्दल कितें सांगन दिसता
गेमीच्या आयज आमी 100% जिखतले by 3-1 score.
3-1 स्कोर आणि ही ट्रॉफी आमकां ह्या सिजनाक जाय आनी आमी शुअर वतली ट्रॉफी दॅट्स अ स्पोर्टिंग स्पिरिट टेलिंग अस दॅट वील टेक दीस ट्रॉफी बॅक टू गोवा फॉर्सा गोवा
Absolutely. So that's the spirit. सगळ्यांक हांगा ट्रॉफीची सामकी उमळशीक लागून आयल्या एकदां आमी हरल्या 2015 सेकंड सिजनान जिखता लास्ट 3 मिनटान 2 गोल घेवन हरल्या सगळ्या फॅन्सा मदीं एक ट्रॉफी खातीर इतले फूल एट्रॅक्शन आसा पॅशन आसा सो ह्या वर्सा ट्रॉफी जायच असोच सेंटिमेंट घेवन आयल्या पूण ही जी फायनल आसा तातूंत ऑपोनंट बेंगलुरू FC इतलीच पेजार टीम FC Goa इतलीच पेजार टीम but nevertheless the fans are always partisan and we too can't help but become fan of FC Goa. You can see I'm wearing FC Goa's jersey so I also can't help but be a die-hard fan of FC Goa given their performance over the last 2 seasons. They're pleasing on the eye, beautiful brand of football and we just love the team. Hope the thousands of fans who have made the journey to Mumbai are really happy and the thousands watching back home and all over India, all over the world are also happy and they will be happy when FC Goa win that title. Yesterday at the pre-final press conference, coach Sergio Lobera said that his message to the fans and to his players as well would be that they go out there in the final and enjoy themselves. And when the players enjoy themselves on the field, it's imperative that the crowd enjoys as well because that means they'll be having a good time and that means they'll be winning the match and when they win the match the crowd as well will be really happy with that. So we are building up to the finals a few moments away from the title clash of the ISL 5 with FC Goa facing last year's runners-up Bengaluru FC. We have a travelling contingent of our Goan media as well and I would like to feature the Goan media, members of the Goan media as well. We have here Rohit Pandey and as well and we have another member of Goan media, Basil Sylvester Pinto of the Goan and Rohit Pandey of Goa Today. So let us know their views ahead of this big final. What's going through your mind right now?
I feel FC Goa are the favourites for the winning tomorrow today's match, and I am definitely hoping that it will be historic win for FC Goa. So many Goan fans have travelled from all the way to Goa watching for this final only. I think they will outnumber the Bangalorean fans any time. You can hardly see any Bangalorean fans. Only FC Goa fans are here. The excitement is building up for the big match, and I think it will be FC Goa all the way to the final.
So, what makes you feel that FC Goa are the favourites for this match?
Because they have strong lineup of strikers. Koro is in top form. Even our defense has improved tremendously since last ISL. Under the Sergi, the coach, the Spaniard coach, the FC Goa has a dramatic turnaround. 2016 we had finished last, but now last 2015, sorry. But now last 2 years, like we have come up like anything. Last time we reached the semis, and this time this one step away.
No, you're right. 2016 we finished last. 2015 we lost the final.
And this time, last time we finished the semis. This time just one step away from a historic title. This ISL I think will be a historic game for
Yes. Bringing Basil into it. Basil, what are your views ahead of the final?
I would say the contest would be keenly fought. Simply the reason being that Bengaluru FC have won both their league matches against Goa, whereas Goa have happy memories the last time they were here, winning against Mumbai convincingly. That said, Koro hasn't scored a goal, or rather had a shot on target against Bengaluru this season again, or rather against Bengaluru, and it's time he performs, and he would today.
Right. See, the very important aspect of the game also remains the emotions of the players, and yesterday coach said that he would want the players to manage their emotions well. We see many times players getting into arguments with the referees, even the officials are really excited. So you think that would be really crucial that they focus on their job right till the final whistle?
Yeah, you could say that Bengaluru is, if you have seen in the last game, they overcame Northeast basically because of their physical aspect of the game. Goa should keep their emotions in check, though Bengaluru will try and overcome the opposition through their physical prowess. So Goa should just concentrate on the skill factor rather than the physicality.
So we have another member of the Goan media here, Alan De Cruz of Herald. Alan, what are your views ahead of the final? What do you think is this occasion promising us with FC Goa going to face Bengaluru FC?
I think this is going to be the best final looking at the background and the way both the teams have played. Definitely two deserving teams in the final. And this year I think even more better is we're going to have a new champion. Looking at the final perspective, it's a much challenging task for Goa considering their record against Bengaluru. But nevertheless, I believe Goa will be well prepared to face the strong Bengaluru side.
Some of the fans told us about their concern that this is a very small stadium and that they are not happy. Some have travelled just on the hope that they would get ticket here. Some are really concerned that they may be stranded without any ticket. So not the right venue for such a big final, isn't it?
Extremely right. It's quite disappointing to see the venue what ISL has prepared for the final. But I believe like our fans don't go disheartened. Looking at the atmosphere, what they have created here, it's already like we are into the final. Right from 3 o'clock I've been here. But the atmosphere is nothing less than it's like the match day. So I hope like everyone gets a chance to and all their efforts get paid.
Yes, it really feels like a home away from home. सगळे गोंयकार हांगा आसात, सगळे फोर्सा गोवा घोषणा दीत आसात, उजो म्हणटात. Let us see them go all again. It's similar situation to what happened at Fatora. आणि आमी मुंबईत आसा, हे सगळे मुंबईत चल्ला. एकदम बरें दिसता पळोवपाक. The team is really well supported and Goan fans all over here bringing a lot of color, a lot of innovation in their costumes, and they have come here with the full force to give FC Goa the really unwavering support and unconditional support. That's all from us right now. We are still building up to the finals. We will keep coming with the build-up. Keep watching Prudent.